one of the world's leading oil and gas companies, has been a satisfied SAP client for 20 years. It asked SAP for help in improving its maintenance and safety processes, which are largely paper-driven. SAP suggested that workforce scheduling, combined with mobility solutions, could help the company improve the productivity and safety of its maintenance teams. The virtual account team organized a design thinking session to conduct mobile enablement journey mapping of a maintenance worker. It brought to life 2 before and after mobility scenarios of a worker's typical day, his thought processes and actions. SAP supplemented this with business thinking and brought in value engineering to calculate how the time saved using mobility tools could translate into cost savings. It was estimated that the oil and gas company could potentially increase its maintenance productivity from 17% to 50%. To share the outcome with the company's top management, the VAT chose the innovative format of a play for greater impact and better interactivity. Impressed, the CIO of the global refining division requested a video recording of the play for the company intranet. SAP is now organizing an exclusive session with the maintenance workers to get their perspective. Thanks to design thinking, we've strengthened our relationship with the company and opened the doors to using this approach to enhance other processes within it.